zero is a lie. You are thinking, wait, I have $0 in my bank account. That feels pretty real. Fair point. But in physics, if you try to make a true zero happen, the universe screams at you.
Go fuck yourself.
Let's try to force it. Gravity. Get this star out of my sight this instant.
I got you, homie.
Is it gone? Is it zero now? Nope. Let's shed some light on the screen to see. Let there be light. The universe is so terrified of nothingness that it overcompensates. Instead of nothing, you get infinity. Infinitely small, infinitely dense. Congratulations, you just made a black hole because you couldn't handle the emptiness. Okay, let's go smaller. Atoms are 99% empty space, right? Let's hide in the gaps. Tom Holland, man, what the fuck? Get the fuck out my vid. Anyways, if you go that small, what the fuck is this? Instead of emptiness we got this fuckery we call quantum foam. Even in total darkness, virtual particles are popping in and out of existence like uninvited guests at a party. The universe literally cannot stay still. True zero energy is a physical impossibility. Fine. Real life is too messy. Let's go to the math dimension. A place where everything follows the rules perfectly. In here, you can't even walk to the fridge. To get there, you have to go halfway. But to get halfway, you have to go a quarter way. And an eighth way. You're trapped in an infinite loop of almost zero. But we're here for the big one. Let's take a 1 meter cube of this space and delete all values inside it. Right, so that universe is completely gone now. The reason this crashes the universe is simple and terrifying. Nothingness is not neutral. Nothingness is a vacuum decay event. True nothing would be a lower energy state than reality itself. And physics has a rule: it never breaks, systems fall downhill. So it would not politely sit there like an empty room. It would spread at the speed of light. A bubble of erasure expanding outward, rewriting the rules as it goes, deleting particles, forces, dimensions, everything. Not an explosion, an unmaking, a cosmic segmentation fault. The game engine hits an impossible state and wipes the save file. Our universe already lives in a kind of uneasy compromise. Quantum fields hum everywhere, even in empty space. Virtual particles pop in and out like nervous thoughts. What we call the vacuum is really a restless minimum, a false vacuum, balanced on a knife edge. True nothing would be lower still, and lower means contagious. That is the deeper problem with defining nothing. To point at it, you need a location. Coordinates. But coordinates are structure. Structure is something. To observe it, you need light, or time, or a reference frame. All some things. Even silence requires air, or the absence of air, or ears waiting to hear it. Nothing refuses to be witnessed. Zero plays the same trick. Zero is not a number in the way numbers are things. It is bookkeeping, a placeholder, a warning label. There is no thing here. Proceed carefully. Try to divide by it and mathematics itself recoils. Not because it is hard, but because it is forbidden. So when you imagine nothingness, you are really imagining the last thing left after removing everything else. And that is not nothing. That is still a something wearing a disguise. Which is why the universe never lets the concept finish loading. It is not cowardice. It is survival. Absolute nothingness would be the ultimate exploit, an error state so severe that existence itself would be patched out of reality. So the next time you think you have nothing to do, take comfort in that lie. The universe depends on it.